Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install TeamViewer on Windows 10 or 11. So firstly, open any web browser, then type in search bar TeamViewer. Now click on this official link teamviewer.com. Now you will see option download for free, and also you can download for commercial use as a trial. So click on download for free. If download didn't start, so click on direct download. So you need to find out 64-bit as your laptop or PC requirement. So click here and then click on download. Now select your PC like Windows, Mac, and here you will see option TeamViewer for Windows 64-bit or 32-bit version. So select as your requirement. Once you will see download processor is complete, click on open file and install this application on your device. So hopefully guys you like this video. By the simple steps we can know how to install TeamViewer on Windows 10 or 11.